Hello there guys, it's me Omkar. Today I'm going to show you how you can make this Deadpool mask out of cardboard. For that, you will need some cardboards. So cut some strips of that cardboard and stick it together and frame around your head and make this kind of shape. After that, take another two strips and stick it together. But this time use these strips to frame around your face and attach to the circle that we made earlier. Just like that. After that, we are gonna cover this mask with more strips and more cardboard. So first of all, take one strip and stick it vertically like that. After that, take another strip and stick it horizontally just like that. Now cover it with more strips and more cardboard. But make sure leave little space for eyes. After that, we are gonna do the same process on top of the head by adding vertical and horizontal strips. And now take more strips and more pieces of cardboard and stick it all over the mask. As you can see, the mask is now strong, just like a helmet. After that, take some newspaper, fold it and stick it all over the mask. It will just make this mask look more bulkier. And while adding paper mache, it will stick smoothly. As you can see, after that, I'm gonna add paper mache on this mask. Take a random bowl that you will find in your house. And take glue and add water and add little bit of flour. I'm using wheat flour for this process. Mix it and your paper mache paste is now ready. And now take some newspaper, crumble it like your lives depend on it. After that, cut some pieces of that newspaper, dip it in your paste and stick it all over the mask. Add more layer as you can, because the more layer you add, the stronger your mask is gonna become. After that, I'm gonna paint this mask with acrylic colors. After painting your mask will look like that. I know it's not that good, but still you guys can make way better than me. You guys can send me picture of your mask on my Instagram. As for my Instagram, I gave you link in my description box. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. Like this video, subscribe to my channel and suggest more ideas in comment section. So, sayonara I guess.